Nandito tayo ngayon sa Seafood and Steak para tikman ang mga nagsasarapang food na ino-offer nila dito. Seafood and Steak is located at 4th floor, Food Hall, Robinson's Galleria South near Cinema.
Welcome to Seafood and Steak. Kain na po kayo.
Here is their menu. They also offer budget meals and group meals na swak sa family or barkada. We got their group meals worth $1,499, which includes breaded pork chop, grilled pusit, calamares, fish fillet, butter shrimp, sisig, and sinigang na ulo ng salmon, with rice and bottled water na good for 6 person. Masarap at affordable ang food nila dito. Pang-ilan visit na rin namin dito sa Seafood and Steak at consistent ang quality ng mga food nila. Personal favorites namin ang sinigang na ulo ng salmon, butter shrimp, sisig at grilled pusit. Super enjoy ang kainan ng pamilya dito sa Seafood and Steak, kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Visit Seafood and Steak sa 4th floor, Robinson's Galleria South.